In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in ClickUp. We'll start right from the homepage and end with a customizable database that fits your team's workflow. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. If you aren't already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. Think of a ClickUp database as a structured list powered by custom fields, perfect for things like assets, inventory, or contacts. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and choose the space where you want this database to live. Picking the correct space keeps permissions, automations, and views aligned with the rest of your work. If you don't see the space you expect, make sure you're in the right workspace and that you have the needed access. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to create something new. Click it to open your creation options, then open the templates section. Using a template gives you a ready-made structure so you don't have to build every field from scratch. In the template modal, use the search bar and type database. You'll see a range of database-style templates. Choose one that matches your use case, like a general table, a CRM-style layout, or a content tracker. You can preview the layout and fields to make sure it fits. When you found the right one, select it and click Use Template. You'll be prompted to give your database a name. Use a clear descriptive title that makes sense to your team, and consider a naming convention that groups similar databases together. Confirm the location so it's created in the space you selected. Click Use Template again to finalize, and give ClickUp a moment to set everything up. Larger templates may take a little longer as views and custom fields are applied. When the template opens, it's time to edit. Customize the fields to match your data. Rename columns, remove what you don't need, and add new custom fields like drop-downs, numbers, dates, and people. Adjust statuses so they mirror your process, and reorder columns to surface the most important information first. You can also tailor the default views, keep a table for structured data, add a board view for status-based tracking, or a calendar if dates matter. Wrap up by saving your changes and, if needed, adjusting sharing so the right teammates can collaborate. Your ClickUp database is now ready, clean, consistent, and easy to maintain.